Welcome to part 4 of the SWE-bench tutorial. In the last video, we successfully created this Docker image, and right now I'm just going to really quickly show you how to verify very quickly. You don't have to do this, but how to verify like whether the environment you created allows you to successfully run the repository or is a good execution environment for your repository. So as briefly mentioned at the end of the last video, when you run this create images step, a couple artifacts get created. This is a Docker file for actually kind of creating the execution environment or the Docker image end-to-end for this repo. There's a log of all of the steps, so we just don't show it in standard output. And then this is the actual setup environment script. So if you're familiar with Docker, you can use a Docker build locally within here, and it should create this repository, create the Docker image as well. But we can see here that, oops, uh, as you can see here, a Docker image has successfully been created for this repository. And this is usually the name it comes out to be. Sorry, that might be too small now, but it's like sweetsmith.x86 and then the name of the repository and then the commit hash. And then now, really quickly, I'm just going to run this create a container. So all I've done was spun up a container for this particular image. And as you can see, we're inside the monkey type repository. And it's mapped to the mirror repository that we just created. And if you run pytest in here, you can see that now we have a Docker image corresponding to this repository. And so now, we can do a lot of fun things with this and it's exportable, but now we have our execution